To start with my makeup, I am moisturizing my face with this Himalaya moisturizer. Next, I am using this primer by Colorbar. I am going to focus the primer mainly on the T-zone. For color correcting, I am using this palette by MAC. I am going to use this orange shade. I am going to apply some loose powder. This loose powder is by Kryolan. Next, I am going to apply foundation. This foundation is by Loreal True Match. To blend the foundation, I am using a wet beauty blender. Next, I am going in with some highlighter. Next, I am using this cream blush by Inside Cosmetics. Next, I am setting the makeup with some loose powder. To contour my face, I am using this palette by Swissbeauty. I am going to use this shade. Next, I am applying highlighter. For my eyeshadow primer, I am using this NYX eyeshadow primer base. You don't need to use much. I am spreading it with my fingers. To start with my makeup, I am using this shade first. For today's makeup, I'll be starting with my outer corner first. So I'll be using this blue shade. I'm pressing the brush in my eye socket. I'll be blending the shade inwards. You can always add more color. Next, I'm going in with this green color. In the inner corners, I'm going in with this golden color. I'm taking this color on my lower lash line as well, in the inner corners. Next, I'm using this blue kohl on my lower lash line. I'm going to smudge the kohl. For eyeliner, I'm using this gel eyeliner by MAC. I'm going to smudge the eyeliner at the outer corner. Next, I'm tightlining my waterline. To highlight my brow bone, I'm using this light shade. On my lower lash line, I'm going in with this color again. For lipstick, I'm going to combine these two liquid lipsticks by L18. Next, I'm going to apply falsies. So for that, I'm using this lash glue by Swissbeauty. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply the glue first on my lash line and then apply the lashes on it. Next, I'm applying some kohl. I'm applying some mascara next. The previous lipstick was making me look little washed out, so I changed the lip color to bright pink. I'll put all the details of the products in the description box below. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.